Welcome! Today we're going to refill the ink tank on your Brother machine. This video will cover multiple models and operating systems. Even though your machine may not match the model on the screen, the overall process will be the same. Check the ink window to verify ink levels. When the ink level of a color drops below the lower line on the tank, it's time to refill. Spilled ink will stain most surfaces. Placing scrap paper under the work area is recommended. Open the ink tank cover. Remove the ink tank cap and place it on the inside of the cover. Do not shake the ink bottles. Remove the cap from the ink bottle. Verify that the ink color in the bottle matches the color in the tank to be filled. Line up the nozzle on the ink tank with the opening in the ink bottle. The pin on the ink bottle should slide in below the nozzle on the machine. Ensure the bottle is fully inserted into the machine. Once inserted, the ink tank should fill. If the tank fails to fill or fills slowly, remove the ink bottle and reinsert. Note: do not fill the tank above the upper line. Once the tank is filled, slowly remove the ink bottle, being careful not to spill any ink. Replace the cap on the ink bottle. Now replace the cap on the ink tank and close the ink cover. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.